Here's another video in the free traffic series course from Webfire, and this one is how to increase social signals and your social media presence. This video will focus on how to increase social signals to your website or websites, as well as how to build your social media presence. Social signals are basically signs that people are talking about your site on social media sites like Facebook and Twitter. It can come in the form of random people mentioning your site, or just having a fan page with some posts on it where your site is also mentioned, and where people can interact with you there as well. So that not only can help with your website rankings, but it can also help you gain more traffic and leads from social media when people start interacting with you, sharing your content, and so forth. There's three main ways to build your social media presence. Number one, you can join relevant groups on Facebook in your niche or fan pages and then start talking on them and interacting with others in your niche. You'll want to do this in a non-spammy way where your main goal is providing value first and foremost. But if you can provide value, you can work in mentioning your products, website, and so forth. This not only helps with your social signals, which can help your rankings, but it can also be a great way to find new prospects. Number two, anytime you do a blog post or post any kind of content, you can encourage people to share it on Facebook and Twitter. Even just asking people to share can greatly increase the likelihood of someone sharing your content or videos. And once the sharing starts, you can start getting even more viral traffic and social signals, which is a win-win for all. Number three, create a fan page or group on Facebook, as well as create a Twitter account, and start posting content from your blogs, articles, videos, and so forth. Even just something as simple as, this can help greatly increase your social signals and help drive more traffic and rankings to your sites. And although you can manually do all of this stuff, if you're a Webfire user, there are some social media tools that can help you out here even more, including one called Social Poster that can automate posting to your social media accounts like Facebook and Twitter, both on your personal accounts, fan pages, and so forth. You can not only schedule posts well out into the future, but you can indefinitely recycle through your posts so that a handful of posts can last forever to make it completely hands-free. Here's a quick demo of a tool that we call Social Poster Fire inside a Webfire. Very, very easy tool. Basically, all you have to do is you can easily integrate all of your Facebook accounts, your fan pages, all that stuff right there. You can click on anyone that you want to essentially automate your postings to, and this can automate on Facebook as well as Twitter. And you can also choose then when you write an actual post, you can choose if let's say you want to schedule out like 5 or 10 posts, you can choose for those only get posted like once a week or once a day or once a month, or you can choose to cycle through those, which means let's say you write 5 or 10 posts. After it goes through those 5 or 10, you can reuse those over and over, basically indefinitely, so it will always post for you on complete autopilot. And of course, you can always add more to the mix as well right there. And again, you can schedule a day, time, period, all that stuff right there. And towards the very top, we see here that, again, you can schedule a one-time post, you can schedule, how to cycle through a bunch, all sorts of very easy stuff. So a very easy tool to basically automate your social media posting on Facebook as well as Twitter. You simply, again, can click on Quick Post or Schedule, and then you type your message right there, and boom, it does all that stuff for you right there. So again, incredibly easy tool, and definitely a great way to get more social signals and also help drive traffic too. So whether you do it manually or through automation with Webfire, you definitely want to be taking advantage of social media today to increase your traffic, leads, and rankings.